I have on the shade, ano ba, ang gulo-gulo na nito. Oh my gosh. Ooh. Hi guys, Rhaze here. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I will be doing a swatches video on these liquid matte lipsticks right here. This is the Matte in Detail from Cosmetix Unlimited. I have 6 shades right here. I will be swatching all 6 shades for you guys. Pero they do have 9 shades in total. Hindi ko alam kung anong mga shades wala ako. But I will put all the information below. I have on the shade Rocks. And yeah, I do have a first impression review on this bad boy right here. This is in the shade Nema. So if you want to know the performance, longevity, and kind of like more detailed review, I will leave the review link below para ma-check nyo siya. So yeah, I will go ahead and start swatching these for you guys. I'm gonna start with the lightest color. The lightest color that I have in here is in the shade Nash or D6. Wala akong lip balm ha. This shade is patchy. I am also not a big fan of this color. I just don't like the way it looks on me. It's not a bad shade. It just doesn't look good on me. Para sa akin, it's way too bright. Hindi ganun ka-even yung application niya. Again, it's patchy. Medyo may pagkataki din yung feeling niya sa lips. I will wait for it to set and then apply one more layer in a bit. Actually, ngayong nag-set na siya, hindi na siya ganun ka-patchy tingnan. I mean, hindi pa rin siya like 1,000% even tingnan sa lips ko. Pero hindi siya as patchy compared sa kanina nung first natin siyang in-apply. Yeah, by looking at it, you can get away with just the one layer of this one. So I'm just not gonna add one more layer. Hintayin nyo lang na mag-set siya and okay na naman yung itsura niya. So yeah, that's this shade Nash. Here, I have napkins right here and also my cleansing oil. This is the oil-based makeup remover that I use if I'm using waterproof makeup, especially mascara. This liquid lipstick is so hard to remove, you guys. There's no way you can remove this with just a regular dry napkin. So kailangan mo talaga ng oil-based. Na-try ko na rin yung regular wet wipes lang. It works, but it's painful. So, kailangan nyo talaga ng oil-based makeup remover. If you don't have oil-based makeup remover, you can use baby oil. Next shade is Dimple or D2. It is a really bright baby pink color, so we'll see how it will look like on the lips. I'm not a big fan of this kind of color, so I don't think I will like it. Oh yeah, that's bright. Really bright. Okay, this is something I will not buy for myself at all. I just think it's way too much of a baby pink for my liking. Again, really in-your-face bright baby pink color. This shade is also a bit patchy, pero we'll see if anong magiging itsura niya pag nag-set na siya. We'll see if we will need to add one more layer kasi by looking at it right now, it's super uneven sa lips ko. Medyo patchy talaga siya, guys. So mag-a-add ako ng one more thin layer, as in super thin lang. I don't think it's working at all. It actually became worse, you guys. Mas lalo siyang naging patchy. Mas okay pa tingnan yung kanina na one layer lang. So with this particular shade, I don't recommend na mag-add pa kayo ng one more layer. Mas maganda tingnan yung kanina kahit na medyo patchy siya, pero way better than how this one looks on me right now. This looks really chaka. Okay, next shade is the shade that I did a first impression review on. This is in the shade Nema or D7, and I actually really like this shade, you guys. Gustong-gusto ko tong shade na to, tapos hindi din siya patchy at all. This is one very thin layer lang, and yung color payoff is amazing. I mean, yung mga color payoff naman nila and yung pigmentation is really good sa lahat sa kanila. But this one, hindi siya patchy, super even ang pagka-apply. As in, sobrang bet na bet ko tong shade na to. So yeah, this is what Nema looks like. Di ko alam kung ano isusunod ko, red or purple. Look at my lips. Napaka-tint na niya. Okay, I'm gonna put purple on. The next shade will be Rocks or D3. So we'll see how it will look like on the lips. Nice. Wow, I actually really like this color. I don't think I can wear this out though, but I really like it. I will definitely wear this in one of my videos. Yung formula niya is very similar, if not the same, sa previous one, yung Nema. Super ganda, hindi siya tacky at all. This is only one very thin layer, and ganyan na yung itsura niya. Again, color payoff and pigmentation is on point. I should do my intro right now. Gustong-gusto ko tong lip color na to, yung tint na iniwan ng 4 previous shades. I'm liking this. Moving on, we will be trying on the shade D8 Asia. If you've watched my, oh my gosh, ito yung suot ko sa Ghetto no Mi tag ko na sinabi ko gusto ko ipangalan sa anak ko Asia. And then, itong liquid lipstick na to, Asia. Ganito yung itsura ng Asia. As you guys can see, it has that really obvious orangey undertone sa kanya. Gusto ko yung formula niya. Same siya sa Nema at saka sa Rocks na tinanay natin kanina. And one layer lang din to. Just so you know guys, yung tint na nakita nyo sa lips ko kanina does not affect the color payoff or the pigmentation of the liquid lipsticks. Kasi sobrang pigmented nitong mga shades na to. At saka yung color payoff din niya, sobrang gaganda. Na kung ano yung color ng lips mo, as in natatakpan niya talaga completely. So, just so you know, this is going to be like a perfect summer shade. Kasi you know, it has that orange tapos red na ganap sa kanya. Okay, last shade. Habang tumatagal, lalong gumaganda yung tint ng lips ko, ha? Last but not the least, alam ko na magiging paborito ko to kasi I'm really into brown lipsticks. Though hindi ko siya sinusuot kapag lumalabas ako. Pero I don't know, I just really like it on me. This one is in the shade Samantha or D1. Oh my gosh, I love you! Wow, I like it a lot. I really like it. Pasensya na kung medyo may lagpas-lagpas ng konti, but this is what Samantha looks like. Dang, Samantha, you're really nice. I really like it. Oh my gosh. The way na nag-a-apply siya sa lips ko is the same as the previous 3 shades na in-apply natin. And one layer lang din to, hindi siya tacky, hindi din siya patchy. So yung pinaka-nagustuhan ko talaga is yung shade na Samantha. It's not something I would wear out. Pero gusto ko yung brown on me. I don't know why, but yeah, that's the first one. And the next one is Nema, of course. Yung ginawan ko ng review, I really like the shade as well. And the third one is the one I have on right now, the Rocks shade. Asia is not bad at all, kaya lang hindi ko lang talaga feel on me yung mga orangey undertone na red lipstick. Pero yung formula niya, bongga naman. Yung shade lang talaga yung hindi ko feel on me. Now, itong dalawa yung least favorite ko kasi patchy sila. Tapos, yung shade na Nash is parang tacky sa lips ko. So, hindi ko sila masyadong gusto. And that's basically it for this video. Let me know down below what's your favorite shade. I've heard shade Rhea, is it Rhea, is really good. I don't have that, but let me know what's your favorite shade below. Please do like the video if you enjoyed watching or if it was helpful. Please subscribe if you're not yet already. I hope to see you in my next one. Do not forget, be good. Bye guys! Sa lahat is the shade na Namantha, Namantha color. So the oil-based makeup remover with these I will leave the I'm gonna take a picture. One sec. Kailangan ko mag-side view kasi meron akong